The night before pour. Of course, we're going to come out here and make sure everything looks good. And so far, so good. Looks like my plumber put in his conduit for the island, helping out my electrician. Our 15 mil plastic is down, vapor barrier. And looks like the guys used the special red tape for this 15 mil barrier. Good job, guys. They've got all my rebar up on chairs. We use number 4 rebar in our slabs. Typically, if a builder uses steel in the slab, they use number 3, 3/8. We use 1/2 inch, number 4. Because we use 1/2 inch, number 4, we do our slabs at 5 inches, where most builders are doing it at 4 inches. That typically gets our steel right in the middle of that concrete. Now, this is looking good. Looks like we might have the green tag to pour tomorrow morning. Plumber has been out here. He's got his boxes all ready to go. Looks like my guys put in the 3/4 inch dense foam board that we use to insulate our stem walls. What people don't realize that there's a lot of transfer of energy that goes through that stem wall. That foam board makes it extremely efficient. All right, looks like we're moving on.